Yeah. So in HTML, you created a registration form. Do you remember in HTML? Let me open the HTML. I think if you can go to your main folder, there is a HTML. Inside HTML, you have a file with name register.html. Can you find the file? This is a register.html. Can you check this code? Yeah, you can run this file in the browser. I'm checking this file in the browser. Can you see the output? This is the output. Is this form is designed neatly? No, this is not at all designed data. This is what somewhat going to be like this. I want to design the form neatly. How can I design this form neatly? What is the width of the form? So all of you see this carefully. So can you see the structure of this code? This is all HTML form now. In HTML form, all the form fields are available inside div, one div. We written on the day inline style. I don't want it inline style, guys, here. So let me copy this code in CSS. I want to save this file in CSS folder, not in HTML folder. So let us work on this. CSS, I want to design the form. Register.html is a file. Let me design this file. Okay. So whatever the inline style you written, let me remove all the inline style from the form. I am removing all the inline style. Let me remove this inline style. All these inline style I'm removing. Because anyhow we know CSS. At the time we written inline style, but this time I want to write CSS. By using CSS, let me design the form. Yeah, I'm done with all this. Now, all of you see this carefully. This is a form. Inside the form, we have the form fields. What are the form fields we are having? Run this file again. If you can run the file, this is the preview. There is no gap. Can you see? All these text boxes are attached together. One over another, one over another. They're all attached together. But first of all, this form is not looks good. Okay. All of you see this carefully. What I want to do. So please create one parent for all this form. I'm creating one parent div. All of you see this carefully. Let us take a div. Class is equal to take one container. Close this div at the bottom. So you can close the div container. I'm closing the div. So div open and div close. All of you able to see now? So I'm just wrapping whole my form into the div. Okay. Now let us take some indentation also. Now, if you can see, is there anything happening? Nothing happened. Just you added div. You didn't write any CSS. Let me go to this and let me add a style tag open, style tag close. Style tag open, style tag close. And first you write this star margin 0 and box size in border box. So margin 0. Box sizing. Border box. If you can refresh, default things were gone. And the default padding or anything, they are gone. Okay. Now, first of all, I want to, okay, do one thing. So let me set the width for the container. Dot container, take some width here. Width of the form is going to be, do one thing. Width 50% width is okay. 50% width. Let us set background color also. Later I will remove the background color. So some color D1, 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 I'm taking. Okay, this is the color I take it. Now, if you can refresh, this is the form. I want to move this form entire thing center of the screen. It is exactly on top of it now. I want to move this exactly center. To do this, we have one property. The property is going to be what? Margin 0 pixel auto. If you write the property, can you see horizontal center? Exactly center. So is the form is looks good? Not at all looks good. Right? Let me provide some padding inside the form. I'm writing some padding inside the container, 10 pixels padding. All four sides you will get some gap inside the box. Inside the box. Like a decent gap we are getting. Now, next one. This is username and this is going to be text box. They are all into one parent. They are all into one parent. Can you see here you written form control class for every text box? Can you see form control everywhere you written na? Form control, you written the same thing. Let me take this class. Let me design the text box first. I'm designing the text box. Watch the text box. So you can take this class form hyphen control. Form control. The form control. What I can do? Width of the text box is going to be 100%. 100% means what? What is the parent width and the 50? Inside 50, it will occupy complete 100%. That's what meaning of it. So now if you can refresh, can you see all the text boxes are full width? All the text boxes are full width. And let us set some height also if required. Height, HAGHT, height is going to be 34 pixels height I am taking for the text box. Is it fine? 34? Or if you feel it is too big, reduce the height of the text box. I'm feeling this is too big. Let us make this 30. And if you can reduce this, okay, this is fine for me. Actually, we are in Zoom. Oh, this is actual screen. Okay. Then 34 is okay, I believe. Yes, sir. Because earlier we are in Zoom, that's why. Okay, 34 is also not okay for me. Maybe you have to set some more, you can set it. But let us make it Zoom, no problem. Okay, right. Let us write a property called border radius. RADIUS. Border radius, I'm writing 5 pixels or 10 pixels, whatever you want, you can write it. Now you can see the border radius added. When you're adding border radius, you observe top dark, bottom light. Can you observe the border of the text box? Top side dark, bottom side is going to be very light. But when I'm doing this, okay, let us do one thing. Border, 2 pixels solid. I'm taking one border color is going to be 999 color. Now, if you can refresh, same color for everywhere, na? The same color, right? We don't have any problem. Same color we are getting there. Ultimately, I'm okay, but the gaps, right? Do one thing. Here I won't take one class. Class is equal to take one class called form hyphen group form group. I want to take the same class for all these parent thing. So all these wherever you have the div, add the class called form group. Take the form group. Take the form group. We are not adding anything. Just we are changing the CSS and adding the classes. This is also form group. Done. Now if we can go and come here now dot. What is the class we have? Dot form group. Sorry, dot form hyphen group is a class. For this form group, let me write some padding 10 pixels. All 4 sides. What's the meaning of it? Top, bottom 10. No, left, right, I don't want any gap. Already left, right, we have decent gap. Top, bottom, there is no gap. So you see some gap is there. Now you observe earlier, all the boxes are attached together. Now they are not attaching, their looks proper. Their looks very proper. Now, customer is asking, password and confirm password should be side by side. They should be side by side. I don't want them make them one by one. How can I do this again? Now, if you want to bring what you want to bring side by side, this section and this section you want to bring side by side, na? Right? Go to the code, HTML code. If you want to bring these two side by side, generally in any applications, if you can see password confirm password, always they will be side by side only. You observe the forms. So these are the section. This is the password section. This is the confirm password section. So this is the confirm password. This is the password. These two should be side by side. If you want to bring these two side by side, there should be one parent. There should be one parent. Let us take a class, some class, name of the class, your choice. Class is equal to, I'm taking FIELD hyphen field group. Take any name, your choice. In this field group, keep these two divs. Now tell me, if you want to bring these two divs, two things side by side, anybody tell me what I have to do? You have password, confirm password. Yes, sir? So this is the thing I have. I want to bring these two side by side. Who is the father of these two only? Field group. In the field group, we have password, confirm password. If you want to bring these two side by side, come here and take the class called field group. Tell me please, how can we bring them side by side? Display flex. Yes, very good. So you have tried the property display flex. If you can read display flex now, can we see are they are side by side? Yeah, they are side by side. What happened to the width? So width 50-50. I wanted some gap also. There is a property called gap property. It is also used with the display flex only. I'm writing gap 5 pixels. Maybe if you can write gap 5 pixels, you will see some gap between. Earlier they attached together. I written the gap. But the text box's width should be 100%. Why they are for this confirm password after you have a lot of gap. I want to fill that gap also. How can I do this? How can I do this? Flex width. I mean, where I have read the flex width? Can I write flex width here? Flex is equal to, can I write 50%? If I write 50 or 48%, what is going to be happen? Will it be adjusted? 1 minute. 48 I written. Is it okay? Oh, perfectly working. But don't do like this. If you want to apply the flex width, you have to do one small thing. So to this, take one separate class. Take one separate class. Don't write form group. Form group is common for all the classes now, for all the divs. So right, this is going to be just I'm taking group. Okay, take anything, no problem. F group. Take the class is going to be F group. Okay. So to this F group, you write display flex width. Why? Because I want to apply width only for this. Remaining all 100% width. Right. So that's why let me go there. Let us write F group dot F group. This flex width is going to be 48%. You write it. Why 48 only? Already you written the gap property, gap 5 pixels. I mean, so that's why I'm writing this way. Now you see, same thing is working, right? Same thing is getting working, right? So this is a way. Still, you want to do the same thing. IRCTC, if you can go there, I want to create this IRCTC form. How can I create this IRCTC form? See, from to and left side DD, and this is going to be all classes, and this is going to be general. This is also a form. This is also a form. And person with and Riley. This is see multiple checkboxes are there. You have multiple checkboxes. Flexible with date. Train available with bed. Okay. Railway pass concession. Search button in left side. Easy booking on ask Disha as on right side. Please click here for empowerment. Okay, this is not the part of it. My form is this is only book ticket form. Anybody try to create this form? Will you do this as an assignment? Okay. So this is what PNR status. Huh? Okay. Okay. Sorry, this is not required. Leave it. What is my next assignment? You know, this is our next assignment. You have to create this form. IRCTC form. You have to create as it is. Make center or anywhere. No problem. Okay. So your next assignment is going to be this is okay, one more form, right? So this is going to be IRCTC. Sorry, assignment. Assignment 9, I believe. But I'm giving lot of assignments, but people are doing or not, I don't know. But try to complete the assignment. This is assignment. How do we do the same thing? Form creation. If you can go to registration form, this form is okay. Okay, this is a different form. Can you see the fields what they're asking? CAPTCHA. How can I add this CAPTCHA to our website? Anybody? We can do our own CAPTCHA by using JavaScript. And for every refresh, we have to shuffle 5 characters that we can do in JavaScript. If possible, I will tell you this in JavaScript functionality. You know, but if you can remind me, I will tell you on the day. But maybe maximum I will remember. No problem. I will tell you. Okay. Uh, can you log into IRCTC? Anybody will try this also? But see, everything is assignment, and if you want, you can do this. RE9 UU RE9 UU and log in this. Sign in. So here we can search for the thing. If you can go for HYD to OGL. So I'm choosing some pick date, something, submit this. This is all search form. See this layout I want. Will you able to do this layout? Left side, right side. Why should we choose a simple layouts? I want to be very complex. Why can't we do a complex design? Maybe by seeing this, you may get some fear. Not fear, actually. Some people will say, anyhow, it is not possible with me. Why should I start the assignment? No, no, you have to start the assignment. The thing in real time, I given 8 assignments today. Is the 8 assignments only you will get in the real time? No, you will never get those assignments, I'm sure. Maybe they will give you one structure. As per the structure, we have to work on it. See earlier, if you can see my desktop, I have an assignment layout. Can you create this assignment layout? This is what blog website template. Can you see this? Can you see this blog layout? One customer is sending this screenshot to me. I need the same layout. Can you create the layout for it? See the thing? Can you observe the layout? I want to finally upload this also as an assignment at 10. Okay. Try to complete this also. Okay. What I want to do. Okay, this is last one, last assignment for you. Copy this. I'm copying. I just want to paste this into your assignments folder. Go to the CSS folder and images. we have this assignment 10. 10 na? Yes, assignment 10. So save this, rename this ASSIGNMENT assignment 10 is a thing. You have total 10 assignments. The final one is a website. You do the same website. Or what is the design I am showing you right now? Please try to do the same assignment. If you can zoom it, yeah, you can zoom more and you will get the thing like this. You see menu item. In the menu item, we have a banner image. Banner image on the bottom of the banner image, you have 3 views. And how to take this. If anybody completed with the same finishing, I will give you 50% fee discount on your total course fees. If anybody completed, are you ready? I'm sure, and I'm talking very seriously. If you did this and assignment, same assignment, if you can complete without need finishing, everybody is doing. Everybody will complete. If I say 50% discount, but whose assignment is very good, for them only I will give. I will choose 2 best people. I mean, who did this design? So I will give you 50% discount on the course fee. So now maybe people will take some interest and challenging and they will try to do this assignment. I generally, if I give assignments, people are not doing. Okay. Now there is a task to you. I will only choose 2 people. Okay. Not all the people. If all the people discount ante, I can go somewhere. Okay. Do this assignment. I'm sure and I'm seriously talking about this. I'm seriously talking about it. If you can complete the assignment, so you can use any images, whatever the images I have there, and you should be responsive also. Condition responsive and the design. Take 1 week time, no problem. Take 10 days. Take 1 month also. What is today? Today 14th. 14th. I will ask you the same on 13th, 30th. And 15 days time I'm giving. 15 days time I'm giving. After 15 days, meanwhile, if you are complete this assignments, you let me know. Okay, if you can complete, you let me know. I will watch it. But on the 30th day, I will look everybody's assignment. If you can complete and if you can send to me. Same assignment I need. You can use any different images. Okay, I will upload this assignment 10 image. Assignment 10 is your course fees. Okay, so if you can complete it, you will get the discount. Generally, if I give assignments, people are not doing. Okay, but this is a discount. What is called assignment? Discount assignment. Discount assignment. If you are able to do this, yep, you will apply for the discount. That's why we didn't ask course fees initially. Okay, right. Like this, and we will provide a lot of assignments, a lot of things we will provide you in the middle of the course. But you have to take it as a challenge. You have to complete it. This is not a entertainment session. This is a practical session. We want to talk real time only and how they will give tasks in the real time. The same way we are doing here. Okay, so please try to take it as a challenge and please try to complete this assignment. All of you, are you agree? Online people, are you there online?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think you understand the requirement. Okay, start try to do this. I will upload this assignment to try. Okay, right. So I'm stopping.